Freaking flowers look good, huh? The hosta could be split if I really wanted to. I could make like 20 new hostas with that. Never rained enough though. Milky mommy go. I got a brick look at this from the trailer. I'll switch this go. Glondish, knee dodgig. Here's the seagulls, glondish. You got this, dry pet food, you got liver up, meg. Hey, Monday, fucker, seagull. Bullies. Blisk, double G gate geek, 2 pigeons. Owners a dog gig, eating as fast as they could, man. There's his knee, I should dodge. Mando digig up. Blisk, the only pamogo quachijo. Oh man, the glondish, our seagulls are freaking greedy, man. Bali mugawish, tamiya, man, no crow. Not one gismat gigis, negmoki, they found a feast somewhere, sure, man. Yeah, 20 seagulls. See, about Grega put this with go meet the mouth or top of the house, too. Fucker sick. Glondish. The only pamuk sigila, guys. A candy apple red, man. Hot red. Bright red. Still never trimmed the lavenders. I'm only meeting with the box what's in front of them. You can't see them that good, huh? Look how much jiggly da. I got DJ. It's like they're telling the truck, fucking beat it. Bullies. These birds are bullies, man. Not good to buy the load. Big one, kalanka butijig. Big one. Big one. Feather. A billway blaze knee-eyed. Not a pigeon. Better not move. Maybe I don't met you alone. Do any chugadish and down. Come on, not a blaze out. Go ignore these gypsies, man. Birds are hungry. At them, them in smart as I bid on. I'd rather feed them the dry pet food than the bread, huh? Because no while we eat it, no bid on. I make